Hello, my name is Alan Gange. I'm a professor of microbial ecology in the School of Biological Sciences at Royal Holloway, and I have been previously head of department for the last 4 years. And the project which we've recently got funding for is called Community Consequences of Introducing a Biological Control Agent, and it's all about the biological control of an invasive weed in the UK, Himalayan balsam. Himalayan balsam is very abundant in the UK now. It was first introduced in the Victorian times, and a lot of people regard it as a very attractive plant. It's probably very familiar to any of you who walk along riversides and lakesides. It grows in very wet areas. But it's invasive in the UK. It takes over plant communities. It steals pollinating insects from local plants. So overall, what it does in the environment is to reduce diversity. It reduces plant and insect diversity, and it causes major problems along our waterways, blocking them and disrupting drainage systems. For the first time ever in the UK, an organisation with which we work, known as Cabby Bioscience, have obtained governmental permission to release a biological control agent against this weed. That control agent is a fungus. It's a rust fungus, so it causes little spots on the leaves and reduces plant vigour. And our project is to try and find out how we can enhance the efficacy of this rust fungus, but also what happens when the weed population declines. No one has ever had the opportunity before to follow the introduction of a biological control agent from the start and to see how the native plant communities and insect communities recover. What we're trying to do in this project is to manipulate the so-called microbiome. Now, the microbiome is the community of microorganisms, fungi and bacteria which live inside plants. And here at Royal Holloway, we've spent some time working with microbiomes, trying to manipulate them to increase the resistance of plants to insect pests. What we're trying to do now is to manipulate the fungi in the roots and the shoots of balsam so we can enhance the efficacy of the rust fungus. Our theory being that certain of the fungi which exist in the root system or the shoot system might enhance or might reduce the efficacy of the rust. We want to try and find out which ones of those fungi actually do that job and how we can change their abundance to make the rust fungus a lot more effective. If people would like to find out more, then they should probably email me in the first instance. We are in the process of producing a website to advertise the project, wherein all our updates will be stored. But if they Google Himalayan balsam Cabby, C-A-B-I, or email me at Royal Holloway, they can get more information.